what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN. I'm your host P Fire, aka P on your favorite MC, and this is another episode of nice bit of kit that you already know what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go around the camera, come in shot, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it. So let's do it. Alright, gang. Oh. Okay, you see what we're doing here. Let me give you the little close-up as we normally like to do. Little close-up, arm view, little back, you know what I mean? Give you the little twirl to the RJ, little twirl RJ. Let me give you that full twirl RJ. Alright, should we get into it? Let me get into it. Guys, today we have this CP Company Fleece top. Shall we get into it? Let's do. Let's start at the waist. There's the waist. There's my waist right there. This comes down nice right there, just at your perfect length. Let's start at the coffages. Alright guys, as you can see, we got some furry little coffages here. Pause, you know what I mean? Nice little elasticated, you see that, you know what I mean? You see the ribbon, if you can see it past the shadow. Nice little ribbon, little rumage right there, perfect, you know, elasticated, dope. And as you can see, you got that furry, super nice all the way going round. You see the piping on the arm edge right there, you know what I'm saying? Super dope. Of course, if you look at, let me show you pockets, left hand side, right hand side, you can see of course on the left hand side you got the CP Company right there, you got the lens viewer right there, sorry, the watch viewer right there. You have these envelope, kind of off-center envelope pocket, as you can see, like a kind of like a holster, you know, your horse saddle maybe. Let me give you a little close-up so you can see what I'm talking about right there. Put my hand in, I can put a few bars of gold. I say bars of gold, I'm lying. A few coins of gold. You know, you can't put those bars of gold that you see in the movie. You won't be able to. Of course, equilibrium, same beautiful thing. You go on the right hand side, exactly the same thing. You know what I mean? Hands go in, few coins of silver, few coins of gold, and you're good to go. If you need to cross the border, you can bribe someone. Super nice. And of course, that is in this kind of nice cottony material, super soft to the touch, as is the fleece material. Of course, you see the zip right there, goes from the bottom all the way to the roof of the neck right there, all the way to the top. And as with the CP Company, you always have that nice drawstring, shall we say, that taffeta pull string. Okay, cool, CP Company there. And of course you can see, I hope you can see, YKK zipper. The zip is covered by this zip flap right here, which goes down. It's a bit of thing, and that's again in that cotton which matches that. So that is that sort of variant brown which goes all the way down la middle. See that? Very nice. Okay, left hand side, right hand side, you have these two wide pockets, and when I say wide, they are super wide. Look where the pocket goes to. It goes all the way around there. So it's a super wide pocket, equilibrium, same beautiful thing. So of course you see it goes all the way around there. You can see that, really wide, kind of all the way to the back, really. Super nice. What else am I missing? I showed you the piping. The piping's very nice. Now I know what you're thinking, really nice. Of course you've got the collars right there, again furry collar, hello, and a nice little piping of that same cotton material which goes across there and there. As you can see, I'll give you the back view, really nice. Well, the beautiful thing about this piece, I know you're thinking that's not enough. Well, let me show you. This one is a two for VANDROSS, shall we say. Look at that. You see the flip? It's a beautiful flip. So it's double-sided. On the other side, you know what I'm saying, you've got this shell material in that kind of sort of charcoaly black, charcoaly black, you know what I mean? Kind of like a matte black, super soft shell material. Really nice. Not shell, what's this material? You know the material, brain freeze, but yeah, shell we'll call it. Super nice. So if you want to go a bit more understated, and this is more tappity tap if the rain comes down, you don't want to be on the furry side, you want to be on this side right here. Very nice. And of course, let me zip it up for you. The zip flips around, so you can zip it up, and again you've now got button pockets rather than zip pockets. So boom, make sure the zip bit is done, and then, you know, walking down the street with your hands in your skyrocket, perfect. You've got those nice pockets right there, super dope. Let me just show you the inside. You've got your literature, ça va right there, you know, all good. Got your little CP Company right there. This is a size 50, so a large. Really nice, guys. Like I said, reversible, dope things there. You know, depending what side you're feeling, whether you're feeling Harry and the Henderson or you're feeling, you know, a bit more restrained, you know, depends what side. But yeah, super nice piece, guys. Let me know your thoughts. You know what I mean? CP Company reversible fleece jacket, shall we say. I bought this piece, I don't know, a few years ago, 5, 6, 7, who knows. But yeah, really nice. One of the first CP Company pieces I actually picked up. Yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts. As always, thank you for watching. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host, P Fire, aka P is for protractedly perfectly poncho. Guys, I've just lost the brain. I just had a breakdown and you've just witnessed it. Anyway, guys, stay dope, stay fly. This has been Once We Are Not The Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, Zien. I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Alright, peace.